Namaste traders. Welcome back to the channel. In today's post-market analysis, we are going to break down how Nifty moved throughout the day and compare it with our morning prediction, where we clearly expected the market to remain flat to negative. And as you'll see on the chart, Nifty followed our prediction beautifully with a steady downward trend. Morning prediction recap. In the morning, we looked at multiple global and local cues. Nifty SGX was slightly negative, showed weakness. Asia was mildly negative. Crude was deeply negative. USD INR was flat to positive. All these factors together hinted that Nifty might not show strength today. Our final prediction was flat to negative market setup. We were expecting small upsides but with selling pressure dominating, especially near resistance zones. First half market behavior. Right from the opening, Nifty tried to show some strength, forming small green candles. But very quickly, selling pressure kicked in, and we saw lower highs forming consistently on the chart. The first half of the market was a classic consolidation to decline pattern. No strong breakout. Buyers were weak. Sellers started dominating after 10:30 am. This matched our expectation of a market that could not sustain positive momentum. Mid-session movement. As we moved into the afternoon session, Nifty continued respecting resistance and kept drifting lower. You can see clearly on the chart. Every small bounce was sold into. The market maintained a slow but steady downward slope. No bullish reversal pattern appeared. This is exactly what a flat to negative prediction implies, sideways behavior with selling pressure. Closing session or final market direction. Towards the end of the day, Nifty dropped further and settled around 26,063 levels, continuing the same negative sentiment. The closing clearly confirms that sellers had full control. Bulls could not defend even minor support zones. Momentum stayed negative till the end. This perfectly matches our morning view. Prediction accuracy breakdown. So how accurate were we today? Morning prediction, flat to negative actual market movement, continuous slow decline, closing negative. This is a 100% match because the structure was bearish. The trend stayed negative. Global cues aligned with intraday behavior. Nifty respected resistance and broke support step by step. This is exactly what we expected. Final thoughts or tomorrow's outlook. Overall, the market behaved exactly as the data suggested in the morning. Going ahead, we will continue to track global cues, crude oil movement, currency strength, and of course the technical levels from our support and resistance strategy. So make sure to join our pre-market analysis tomorrow morning, where we'll break down the next trading day's expectations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.